Hey Forex traders, this is Brian with Forex Fortunes Club. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the Forex Trade Manager. We have on a demo account the Trade Manager set up on the USD Japanese yen pair. And what we did was we manually placed a sell order at approximately the 119.85 level, and what we did was we immediately placed the trade manager on our chart. Now the trade manager is an expert advisor that trades completely hands-free and will monitor your trade as per your directions. So as you can see, you can set 5 different take profit levels. So we took a profit at 30 pips, 50 pips. Obviously there's 3 more levels you can take a profit at. We can also use just the take profit increment. So if you wanted to take a pip or a profit every 20 pips, you could do that as well without having to put those specific settings in there. You can put a percent of the lots as your profit. So if you, for instance, had a 0.25 here, that would take a quarter of your position, whatever position that you started with. It would take a quarter of that pip profit off of the off the table, and you can obviously do that at 5 different levels as well. So you can, I think the stealth mode is for obviously to keep your orders hid from the brokers. So one caveat on that obviously is you would need your computer to be running, or unless you're running it on a VPS, that if you did lose power or your platform did become disabled for some reason, the trade manager would not, those orders would not be in with your broker, so you'd have a potential for loss there. So what we did here, once the trade was 20 pips into profit, we moved the stop loss to break even +1. Once it reached 60 pips, it moved the take profit or the stop loss to 20 pips. So we're locked in at 20 pips. And then eventually it hit 70 pips profit, where we kicked in a trailing stop trigger. It was trailing the market by 30 pips. So therefore it did finally close out our complete trade for quite a nice profit. Now this was all done hands-free and completely by the trade manager. So there are different options here to use a fractal trail trigger. Now this is something I haven't used, but what I believe it would do is it would place your stop level directly above any fractal point, or swing high or swing low depending on which direction you're going in. And then you would have the fractal buffer, so any pips above the fractal point, you would obviously have to adjust that as you see fit. So but obviously it does give complete flexibility, and obviously different trade target levels and stop levels. It's just a complete solution for any trade management that you might have. So please check out the links below and get your copy of Trade Manager. I would definitely be here to support you in any way I can with settings or one-on-one coaching with getting started with the Trade Manager and getting your trading set up to be more of a hands-free situation. So check out the links below, and we will see you on the inside.